Namaskar. I extend warm wishes and greetings to the country's most respected Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji on behalf of all the people of Tripura on his birthday. Today, the nation has now earned a top place in the world arena under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. From agriculture, industries, science and technology, defense to gaining self-reliance, our country is forging ahead in all sectors. India's external affairs policy is friendly and dignified in the world. The Prime Minister's aim and initiative is driving the country towards a self-reliant India. The Northeast, including Tripura, is now on a new horizon of scopes. The Northeast region is forging ahead with the development in railways, airways and roadways connectivity. The Prime Minister's sincere efforts towards the development of people of the region has generated lot of hope in the minds of people. I pray to Mata Tripura Sundari that Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji may take the entire country, including Tripura, towards further development, stability and self-respect. I pray for his healthy and long life. Namaskar.